Hello guys, this is my new watch Casio G-Shock G346 and today I'll guide you through some of its basic features. So as you can see there are four buttons written as adjust, reverse, forward and mode. Now if you press the reverse button it will light up your watch for 1 second, which is the by default timer. You can actually adjust it by setting it to 3 seconds. It has two modes. Now if you actually press the forward button you can see that this area is a digital area and it displays currently the time. Now if you press it once it will display the month and the date, and if you again press it it will revert back to the time section. And inside the mode section, if you press it you can see in the Saturday dial area it switches back to stopwatch, then to timer, then to word time, alarm and again to the date. These are by default the 5 sections that G-Shock has. Now you need to, for setting all these things, you need to get into the setting mode, which can be done by pressing adjust button till you hear the beep first of all. Now this was the beep that I was talking about. You can see that Delhi DEL is right now blinking. You can set the world time by pressing the forward button. This is for another time zone. Now let me set back to Delhi by going reverse. Now to change anything else, like let's say time, now click the mode button. This is the distance. This is the 12 hour or 24 hour which you want to set. Now here you can set the seconds as well as the time. By pressing mode button you can get to many other features that it has. Now to finally set all the things, again you need to press the adjust button. It will set the things that you already have. Now let me show you how to adjust the analog button. Now if you go into adjust setting and then go into by setting to time, let's say I want to set it for 6:59. Now when actually I press the adjust button, the analog will automatically switch to the position where my digital button goes. That's all mechanical. You need not do anything by your hands. Now it will stop at 6:59, so which is actually 7 right now. So thank you. This was all. Now please comment down below and click subscribe for future videos. Thank you.